It says, what are the benefits of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, which I think you covered very well, and how much red tape surrounds getting listed? Very direct.
Okay, yes, as you said, I spoke about some of the benefits, or many of the benefits for listing. It's actually raising equity capital, which allows you some breathing room in terms of growing that business. I will say that debt, it starts ticking right away in terms of your interest payment. In terms of equity, it allows for some breathing room. I talk about the daily exposure already, daily valuation of your company, the ease of exiting. If you're talking about estate planning, after a while you have that business and you want to move on, it allows for easy exit to go on to something different. So, there are so many things I want to emphasize, because the question is how easy, about the good corporate governance, the governance issues. The red tape in respect to listing of a company tend to be not that of the stock exchange, the making of the companies that are coming to market, because of the financial statements that are not complete, that are not audited. And these are some of what we find, that's the longest process, getting the financials ready. Audrey spoke about many companies that are in Jamaica and they have a board of directors, they hardly ever meet. These or never meet. These are some of the things that we expect upon coming to the market that will have to be in place. You have to have a board of directors, you have to have an audit committee, you have to have a compensation committee, a remuneration committee. And these are not red tape. These are things, requirements that you should be doing all along. So once you have these in place, once you have your audited financial statement, if you are an ongoing concern, a going concern, then it is a pretty, I would say, pretty easy to come to market. It depends also on how you're coming to market. If you're coming to market via an IPO, initial public offering, the prospectus, you have to get that ready. Companies that are coming to market initially, they are generally, or all, private, probably private limited companies. You have to convert to a public limited company. That's not difficult. You spoke about getting the attorney. That's an easy process, because you're going to raise capital from the market. You need to be a public limited company. Then the prospectus, and you spoke about the business plan. You have to show what you're going to take these people money and do, right? They become a shareholder, they need to know the value proposition. So these are some of the things that must be a part of the business plan. You touched on valuation as well. That is a sticky wicket. Because every company coming to market feels that their business is valued more than the business is valued. So that, there's a haggling there with the member dealers as to really what the business is worth. But having put all of those things in place, the company, we are finding that many companies are now coming to market within 6 to 8 months. So that's 6 to 8 months. So that is not really a long period in terms of a structure coming